Okay, students, we are in Indian national movement. As a part of Indian national movement, if you see in the last class, we are ended at Chauri Chora incident. Okay, actually, basically, what is going on? Non-cooperation movement is going on. As a part of non-cooperation movement, all the foreign goods are set fire. Okay, in the middle of the cities. Okay, like this non-cooperation movement is going on. In that time one incident was happened. What is that incident was? In February 1922, a crowd of peasants set fire to a police station in Chauri Chora, the place called, the Chauri Chora is the place name. In that 22 policemen were killed on that day. Okay, but yes, you know, everyone, we all know that Mahatma Gandhi don't like this type of violent methods. Due to that, Mahatma Gandhi was against violent momentum. Therefore, he abruptly called off or cancelled non-cooperation movement. Okay, in this way, non-cooperation movement ended because of the Chauri Chora incident. Okay, then in between 1922 to 1929, what and all happened means, in 1920s, Rashtriya Swayamsevak RSS and Communist Party of India was founded. Okay, at the starting days. Then Congress in the Lahore session in 1929, Lahore, okay, the place called Lahore, in that place Congress sessions are going on. In that Congress session, all the Congress people are decided to want to be a independent India, that is called Purna Swaraj. Okay, they demanded Purna Swaraj, means complete independence. Purna Swaraj means complete independence. You have to keep it in mind the years. In 1922, Chauri Chora incident happened and non-cooperation movement cancelled. Then in 1920s, these two are formed, and again in 1929, Lahore session was happened. In 1927, British government sent a commission. It was headed by Lord Simon, in order to discuss about the future of the India. British government sent one commission headed by Lord Simon, that is called Simon Commission. In that Simon Commission, there are no Indian representatives. That's why Indians got angry and they said, go back Simon Commission. In that way, they against to British government, Indians. Then in 1930, okay, March 1930 to March 1931, civil disobedience movement was started. Okay, civil disobedience movement. Just like here, civil disobedience. Disobedience means we are not tolerating anyone. Okay, the Indians started civil disobedience movement. Then in November 1930, first round table conference was conducted by British government. Okay, why this first table conference means? In order to discuss about Simon Commission. Okay, in order to discuss about Simon Commission. Then in 5th March 1931, there is a pact between Gandhi and Irwin. Okay, between Gandhi and Irwin, there is a one discussion going on, and they both agreed, they made agreement that to suspend civil disobedience movement. Okay, Gandhi also accepted and civil disobedience movement is suspended. Okay, but again in December 1931, second round table conference was happened, arranged by British government. Okay, in this second table round conference, there is nothing will happens to Indians. That's why again in 1932-34, again civil disobedience movement second phase started by the Gandhiji when he returned back to India. Gandhiji when he returned to India, he again started After completing second round table conference meetings, Gandhiji again started civil disobedience movement. Again, after that incident, communal award on 16th August 1932, he is the person Ramsay MacDonald. Ramsay MacDonald came forward. He brought a one law that is called a communal award. According to this communal award, Muslims, Sikhs and Europeans would have separate electorate. Okay, even there is separate electorate for scheduled caste and scheduled tribes, nothing but who are very low, okay, who are low class people. For low class people also there is separate electorate according to this communal award. In this way, there are so many things happening in between 1922 to 1921. Okay, in this way we will discuss again up to 1947. We will discuss. Keep it in mind, 1922 Chauri Chaura incident happened. After this Chauri Chaura incident, Mahatma Gandhi declined, or otherwise called off non-cooperation movement. Then again in 1922 and in 1920s, Rashtriya Swayamsevak RSS was formed. Then Communist Party of India was also founded. Then after that, Purna Swaraj was demanded by the Congress in the Lahore session. Okay, in 1929. In 1927, British government sent a commission by Lord Simon, headed by Lord Simon, that is called Simon Commission. But in that Simon Commission, there are no Indian representatives are there. Because of that reason, Indians made Rasta Rokos and Bunds against the Simon Commission and said, go back Simon Commission, like this. Then after that, civil disobedience movement started in 1930, between 1930 and 1931. After the civil disobedience movement, first round table conference was happened in November 1930. It was arranged by British government, and for this Congress people, Mahatma Gandhi joined this. Then after that, 5th March 1931, there was a pact, otherwise treaty happened between Gandhi and British person Lord Irwin. Both are decided to suspend civil disobedience movement. Okay. Then after that, in December 1931, again second round table conference was happened. In this second round table conference, the discussions were failed, and after when Gandhiji came back to India, he again started civil disobedience movement in 1932 and 1934. Okay, after this incident, communal award on 16th August 1932, the person called Ramsay MacDonald, okay, he came forward with one law that is called communal award. According to this communal award, Muslims have separate electorate system, Sikhs have separate electorate system, European have separate electorate system, and who are very low class people, for that people also we are having separate electorate system. In this way, the events happened between 1922 and 1929. We will discuss some more topics. We will move forward in the next class. Okay, please watch this video more times and you will get one idea about this topic. After that, please pause this video and write down the information, okay, clearly. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Take care.